Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to auto set text font size in a fillable text box using Foxit PDF Editor. I'll make this text font size automatically adjusted to this text box. Now click on this form option and here you will find this text box option. Click here. Now click on this text box and select. Now click right button for your mouse cursor and select here properties option, and properties dialog box select appearance option. Here you will find this font size, custom font size 14 here, and simply click here auto set, auto font size, and it is automatically adjusted to this text box. Also it says this one. Now click right button and select properties and appearance option and select here auto, and see this automatically adjusted. In this way, you can auto set all of your text boxes font size. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.